we're back.
I've got my raincoat on.
And there's Billabong. Who's riding a Harley? It looks clean as well. Maybe I can get some shorts in
Yeah,
here.
they got board shorts. It feels so good just to walk into any store that has aircon when you're walking these streets.
$70 for boardies. $60. It's a bit ridiculous. Like, this isn't even a brand I'd buy in Sydney. And I glide. This water's heaps calmer than I thought. Here I am looking at like grade 5 rapids. There'll be a couple that are bigger than that, but this is fine. Even if you fell out, you stand off.
We made it here to the Terrace River. We're going to do river tubing for the first time. Stream doesn't look too bad.
I was expecting like the full, you get thrown off the boat and dunked and shit.
We booked this online for $40 each, and we accidentally went to the wrong place when we got here.
And we're 20 minutes late and they still let us go, but we're the only 2 people.
We're the only 2 people, so it's a little bit like a private tour.
But it's also low season. Feel this water. Woo! It's a bit chilly. I get used to it. It's a wee bit cold, I say. I actually didn't really get much sun. Terima kasih. There we go. It's beautiful.
Snack fruit.
Snack fruit?
Yeah.
What's snack fruit? That's a snack fruit?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to try. What is it? Is it fruit?
I will harvest from the fish.
If you eat it, maybe.
Just take your time. You can do massage there.
That's it.
Yeah, if you want.
Holy water. They call it holy water. You can take your life jacket off.
Check out.
Check out something much. I'm a bit wet. I can go under. He's gonna get us some random fruit.
That's refreshing.
You must be able to walk down here. This is crazy. I think you might be even able to hike. I don't get any more wet, but that is so refreshing.
That is a durian. This is nice when it's hot, when it's a hot day.
See that clear right in the water? I can't get myself clear.
That's super clear.
Whoa!
Oh, that's the fruit.
What's it called?
Snake fruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah. But
What does it taste
I
like?
call in Indonesian salad.
Salad.
Yeah. Maybe if you get a breakfast in hotel, you didn't get that one.
Maybe, I don't know. Does it come off like this?
Water now.
Wait.
Good. More. Take more.
Sweet and then a little bit sour. Good experience.
Did you flip these from tree?
Yeah. We have a lot of snack fruit until up there.
That one up there, is it durian? That's
Sorry?
durian? That one?
No.
No?
Jackfruit.
Ah, jackfruit.
Yeah.
They look similar.
Yeah. Durian.
Mm.
But durian is very spiky. You see in local market just now, a lot of snack fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a good job.
Yeah.
You do this every day, eat snack fruit.
More.
That's some.
And you can bring all.
Thank you, my friend.
Yeah.
I've never heard of this.
That one is fresh fruit.
I love this.
Yeah.
This is almost as good as the river too.
Maybe if you come next year, it's growing.
Leave the seed and it will grow.
The big seed.
Grow the seed out there. Next time we come back, it'll grow into a new tree.
Now, if we're ever lost in Bali, we know to look for some snack fruit. When he showed me the skin, I was like, I thought it was like a fish or something. The walk up might be a little bit of a hike. Doesn't look too bad. but whoa, that's crazy. We're peeps high. Whoa. Imagine going down that. You ever go down that?
Next we do it.
And that gives me vertigo a little bit, that's crazy. I'll tell you what, you wouldn't want to be afraid of heights. A few stairs, not too bad. That's crazy.
Just finished the river tubing adventure. It was really fun. They gave us free lunch. Looks like it's fried rice. And then this is like an egg roll. And this place is really cool. We're the only ones here.
I think they're maybe rebuilding it or something. It'll swing.
So now we're gonna enjoy our lunch and then go back to get our laundry.
Don't you worry, child. See how it's gonna play.
We're in Ubud, Bali, and this is the Muku Rice Terrace. behind me, and then we have the checking rice terrace just behind over there. And we've been watching this lady work on the rice fields, just been hacking away at the soil for like the past half an hour. So today we just went to this cafe to have some food. So we had some lunch, just sat here for a while looking at the rice fields. And they have a lot of things to do here. They have like zip lining and these cycling things, swings. This is actually the place where everyone goes to go on those really big swings.
Some mosquito repellent would have been a smart idea today.
I see so much on you.
You can walk down. That's cool. Tired, but it's not that bad. What a smart cat. I wonder if it knows that it's part of the tourist and it sits there and gets pets. Like a fake cat. He wants a butt scratch. Oh, he's going for the belly.
He's happy now.
He's going for the belly.
Yes, sweet. Calm down.
He wants a tail scratch above the tail, yeah, there. And a butt scratch.
Look at his face. He's like, oh yeah, that's the spot.
It looks like a little leopard. His eyes.
His eyes are rolling back. He loves it so much. Did you see me get stuck?
No?
I got stuck at the end.
I was betting and stuff in the middle.
I got stuck, and then I was like slowly going back, and he's like, put your foot out. I'm like, I put my foot out so he could try to grab it, but then he couldn't reach my foot, and I kept going backwards, and then he got this big stick so that I could grab it.
How'd you feel?
That was fun. I was nervous in the beginning, but it was fun doing it. I don't know why I'm tired.
Probably just anxiety.
Right now we're at this cafe overlooking some rice fields, and this is what the view looks like. It's just so crazy, surreal being here. When I was doing the zip line, I was thinking, thank God I have this strap, because my hand was getting sweaty. So then if I didn't have that, I probably would have dropped it.
Maybe you gotta book it. gonna be cold.